Hello class, good morning. Well, today we're going to start with the first topic of the semester. And the unit 1 is called events. That is the name of the unit. And here on the platform, we have the activities that you're going to do today. First of all, you have a verb list. This verb list, you have to download it and you have to study with it because it's very important. On the verb list, we have the irregular verbs and we have regular verbs. You notice we have the first column, the base form, arise, the simple past, arose, and the past participle, arisen. So you need to investigate in Spanish what is the meaning of the verb arise. And you have to do it with all the verbs on the list. Okay, so this is the first part. When you finish with the list, you're going to open this simple past. The simple past is a topic that you all know, but I'm going to explain here. So it's a simple past. The use of the simple past. The simple past expresses an action in the past taking place once, never, or several times. So the important here is the use of the simple past is an action in the past. And we have signal words. These ones are specific words that help us to identify the simple past. And they are very common. The first one is yesterday. And the next one, pay attention in this. 2 minutes ago. The important one is ago. You have to put, or you have to say or write a specific time in the past so you can change it. For example, we have 2 minutes ago. You can say 5 minutes ago, 1 day ago, 1 week ago, 3 months ago, 7 years ago. Okay, so you have to say a specific period of time. The next one we have in and a year. In 1990, in 2005. Okay, the important is that the moment is in the past. And the last one, we have last Friday, last Saturday, last week, last month, last year. Okay, so these are the signal words. Next, something very important in the simple past are the verbs. And we have two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular. The regular verbs, they are very easy because you have to complete with ed at the end of the verb. So you have play, played, dance, danced, watch, watched. Irregular verbs, these are the problem in English because you have to memorize them. Remember, the irregular verbs, they change. And today we are going to check the important is the second column, the column on simple past. So we have eat, ate, drink, drank, read, read. Okay, you see the verb list. So this one you can check them on the verb list. Next, we're gonna check the structure for the simple past. The structure is very easy. In affirmative, we have the subject, the verb in past, and the complement. So we have two examples here. You played soccer in 2002. You notice in 2002 is in past. She ate sushi yesterday. Okay, so these are the verb, the structure for the simple past in affirmative. The important is the verb in past. Now, negative part. The negative part is very easy. For the negative, we're gonna use the auxiliary did, but we need to complement with the negative part not. So you have the option to use did not or the contraction didn't. And when you use the auxiliary did, the verb change to the base form. So in affirmative, we have you played soccer. In negative, you did not play soccer. Okay. In affirmative, she ate sushi. In negative, she didn't eat sushi. You notice the verb play is in present, eat is in present. Okay. That is the important part. Now, the structure for the interrogative form. The interrogative form, we have to change the order. Okay, we're gonna use the auxiliary did at the beginning of the sentence, the subject, the verb on base form, because we have the auxiliary, the complement, and the question mark. So we have in affirmative, you played soccer. In negative, you didn't play soccer. In interrogative, did you play soccer in 2002? And the question mark. Yes, comma, I did. Did she eat sushi yesterday? No, she didn't. Okay, so you notice we changed the order. We have subject did, now we have did subject. Okay, so that is the structure for the simple past in affirmative, negative, and interrogative. But there is something very important here. The verb be. The verb be, remember that is an irregular verb. So the verb be in simple present, we have three forms. Am, is, are. In simple past, we have two. Was and were. Now, when we use the verb be is an auxiliary too. So the verb be is very strong. It doesn't need an auxiliary like did. We have examples here. We say, simple present, I am happy. In simple past, I was happy. Okay? Simple present, he isn't a teacher. Negative. Simple past, he wasn't a teacher. Interrogative, are they in school? Were they in school? Okay, if you notice, the auxiliary did doesn't use here. So we have the only we have the verb be. And here in this table, we have a few rules for the pronunciation of the verb in simple past. Okay, but this one we're gonna check in the next class. Now,